Hi, Bill Jones from Turntastic Wood Designs. I did something today I've been wanting to do for a while. I made a hollow form. Now this is just rough turned, but it was my first hollow form and I think it has a chance of coming out into something quite nice. If you'd like to see how I did it, stick around and I'll show you next. I started with this log between centers and just rough turned it to something like a cylinder. Then I started shaping the vessel into something like a sphere. I was able to use a large drill bit to core out much of the center. One of the things that can be pretty difficult to do when turning, if you're trying to turn something that's kind of deep going on the inside, it can be pretty tough because your tool, you're getting way out over the tool rest. And to hold that tool steady and have it nice and steady and not get catches can be really tough and actually kind of dangerous to do. So to help solve that problem, for Christmas, my wife bought me this rig. This is one of several types that I've seen, but this is pretty cool. It's a Carter Products hollow roller, and what it's about is it's got these 3 rollers here and that take the tool and hold it absolutely still so that you can't twist it and it won't drop with the torque. There's actually 2 points of the tool rest, the roller here, and then there's a front tool rest. And that can allow you to go in and cut with this itty bitty cutter. It's a really small cutter that comes with it, but it does a good job. And it lets you get way deep inside to do hollow form turning. It also, this one came with a laser a laser attachment that allows you to set a distance. Right now I've set it at 1 inch because this is rough turn and I'm gonna leave it really thick at first. So I set it at 1 inch, so that laser will shine down 1 inch away from where the tip of the cutter is. So what I'll see the laser on the piece, and when it gets to where that laser is just skimming the side of it, I know I'm at 1 inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting with this now. Well, it came out pretty good. It's as I said, it's still 1 inch thick, so because it's very, very wet, it still needs to dry. So I'm going to cover it with some of that wax paint stuff that helps slow down the drying, and I'm going to leave it sit for several months. There's a very good chance that here where the pith is, that it will crack. That cracks will develop as it dries. That's okay. I'm going to let it crack. And as those cracks develop, then after it dries, I'll take a Dremel and widen the cracks a little bit and then fill them in with a colored epoxy. That makes kind of a nice look. But using that new tool was really cool. It really helped. It's nice and safe and lets you get way down in there. And I think I'm probably gonna do some more of these kind of hollow form vessels. I really like it. And that's that. So if you like this video, please like and share with your friends. If you have any questions or about this or anything else you've seen on my shop or any other video you've seen, feel free to leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me out. And as always, thanks for watching.